So if you want to see how I made these autumn DIYs, stay tuned and watch. And we're going to be using the apple barrel burnt umber paint to paint that sign. Now while those pieces are drying, here I am making a bow. We're going to be using some twine. We're going to be using a little green bow that I found in my stash, and we're going to be using some buffalo check ribbon. Okay, so for project number 2, I decided to use this box I had in my stash, and then I decided to use this floral foam, and then we're going to be using the black paint, the buffalo check ribbon, okay, and we are also going to be using those wooden cutout pumpkins along with this Hello for Autumn sign. So let's jump into it. So here the first thing we're doing is we're only painting 2 sides of that box in the black because you won't see the other 2 sides. The top we won't be using at all, so I move that over to the side. So here I'm mixing some water and some of that burnt umber paint, and that makes like a stain like almost, and it absorbs right into the wood so it dries quickly. And that's what I'm doing here with both pumpkins. Now what I'm doing is I'm using the top of that box just to help me draw the lines across the pumpkin, because we're going to be painting the bottom of the pumpkins in black. So I'm going to do this to both pieces. When I was done painting the pumpkins, I went ahead and brushed over that sign that said Hello Autumn, and we set that over to the side. Now we're going to be using some buffalo check ribbon to line the middle of those pumpkins. So after adding that buffalo check ribbon, now it's time to glue the 2 pumpkins to the box. As you can see here, the parts that I did not paint in black is the parts that I'm adding the hot glue to, and then we're going to glue that to the wooden pumpkin piece, one on one side and one on the other. So what we've created here is a flower pot. So we're going to go ahead and glue that sign to the front there that says Hello Autumn, and then I made these buffalo check bows, one for the front and one for the back depending on where we set this pot. And did I mention that I finished the bows off with these beautiful little sunflowers? I think that flower pot came out absolutely gorgeous. So the florals in that pick I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now we're going to go ahead and glue that foam inside of that pot. And now